Welcome to this Zeru product demo. In case this has been shared with you out of context and you need a quick primer on Zeru, Zeru is the world's first AI-powered omni-chain credit infrastructure with a vertically integrated DeFi super app. The credit infrastructure is an eigenlayer AVS, and the Z-score or credit score itself is a layer 0 OAP. If you need to dive in more, visit zeru.finance or docs.zeru.finance to start reading. In this video, we're going to explain the Berps strategy available on Zeru's testnet dApp live on Berachain bArtio. Berps is Berachain's native, decentralized, leveraged trading platform that allows for perpetual futures contract trading. Berps has low trading fees on a variety of pairs with leverage of up to 100x possible. In the example provided by Berps, that means that with 10 honey, you can place a trade of up to 100x, which, excluding fees, would equate to a position size of 1,000 honey. Zeru's Berp strategy allows you to deposit collateral, like honey, and take leverage on top of it to maximize your market exposure. In return for this deposit, users earn BGT tokens over time. So, how does it work? Well, depending on the leverage selected, you'll be given debt to be allocated to your desired market position. In this particular strategy, you'll be depositing honey tokens in Berps to earn trading fees and earn BGT in addition to that. So let's show you a little bit of how that works. We're going to head into the derivatives position here. We're going to open up a position. I have some wrapped Bera deposited. So we're going to deposit or transfer it from my deposited wrapped Bera. I'll choose just one wrapped Bera for now. And let's leverage up to 2x. I'm super bullish on honey. So we need to approve Zeru's access to my wrapped Bera. Okay, and now that that's complete, we can borrow almost 25 honey. And you can see the USD values here as well. So we're going to review, and we're going to open this position. Let's make sure this goes fast. This goes through a little bit more quickly here. And done. That's it. I've borrowed almost 25 honey at 2x leverage. I have access to view my transaction details on the Blockchain Explorer. Okay, so now if we head over back to the markets page, we can see here now we have a couple of derivatives strategies opened up. One has 16 cents worth of collateral, and the other one's $16.81 worth of collateral worth of wrapped Bera. And we can see how many tokens are locked, how much have been borrowed, the health factor. I'm still okay there. Unfortunately, I'm down a bit, but this is testnet money. I'm not too worried about it. So that is what it's like to open up a derivatives position through the Berps protocol on Zeru Finance. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, please contact the team.